That there, that one is the bridge. That is the bridge that serves one side of the community and the other one. But today it's been rendered impassable. In fact, not just impassable, you cannot even get close to the river itself. Why? Because the river spilled over. This is not the river. This is just the sides of the river. The river is about 50 meters away. If you want to see clearly how the river is or where the river is, that is how far the bridge is. Today it's been rendered impassable, no one can pass. That is what the community is dealing with. Of course, in a community, there are those who are daring. That guy is just daring to cross the river. So he's going to the bridge. Probably the entire day is the only guy who has gone to the bridge. So he's gone all the way. And there we are. He has gotten to the bridge. This is Nyamunga Bridge. That is your guy.